In our project, we're working on hyperparameter tunings for the CNN model. We are using Python scikit-learn library. There is an API called Grid Search CV, and we are using this library to perform hyperparameter tunings for our model. And then specifically, we're using Keras to train our CNN model. And then in order to pass the Keras model to scikit-learn, we need to use a wrapper for Keras to be used in the scikit-learn grid search CV API. We have some examples.
So we are using the grid search API on a convolution neural network example. So from Keras library, we are importing the CIFAR10 dataset and like all the required methods. So and then like these are just like pre-processing of data. So here comes the real part. So we create a function called a create CNN, which contains like a convolution neural network model with 2 convolution layers and one a dense layer. So we are using for the with the learning rate 0.0001. So we are just using this model just to like tune the batch size and the number of epochs. So here we create something called a tuning model, and this Keras classifier is used to like convert a Keras code into a scikit-learn code. So here are the parameters that we are going to tune for: the batch size and the epochs, which are in lists, and then we include these lists as in a dictionary in a variable called params. So the grid search CV is used to like do an exhaustive search over the hyperparameters, and this estimator is the tuning model, where the tuning model is the model that we used in a wrapper. So yeah, and we fit the model using grid.fit. So after running the model, we get the results for the combination, like for all the combinations of the parameters in the params dictionary, and then we are printing the results. So while printing the results, we get the best result for the batch size 100 and epochs 50, so which is the mean test score of 0.744900. We also get the second, third and fourth and the fifth best results. So the next tuning model is to just tune only the hyperparameter learning rate. Similarly, we create a function called create CNN2 uh, to tune for the learning rate. So here are the learning rates that we are going to tune for, and the param grid contains these learning rates as dictionary values. So this tuning model 2 converts the Keras code into a scikit-learn code. So and the grid search CV is used to like is performed on the tuning model 2 and the parameters which are in the list, sorry, in the dictionary. So now we fit the model and then like execute the model. So we get the results for all the combinations of parameters, and when we print the best results, so we get the best mean test score of 0.730240 for the learning rate 0.0001. We also get the second, third and the fourth best results too.